Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to correctly use the Acorns Investment App. First, download the Acorns app and create an account. You'll need to provide some personal information and set up a password. Acorns offers different subscription tiers, such as Personally, Family, and Plus. Now, choose the one that best fits your needs and budget. Connect your bank account to Acorn. This will allow the app to round up your purchases and invest the spare change. Then, enable the Rounds Up feature, which rounds up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the difference. Decide how much you want to invest regularly, daily, weekly, or monthly, and set up recurring investment. Acorns invests your money in a diversified portfolio of ETFs, exchange-traded funds. You can also choose to invest in individual stocks if you opt for the Plus plan. Regularly check your account to see how your investments are growing. You can view your portfolio's performance and make adjustments if needed. Acorns offers features like Retirement Account or Acorns Later, Investment Account for Kids, Acorns Early, and Checking Account or Accounts Checking. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.